Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to combine virtual Visa cards in 2025. If you're juggling multiple virtual cards from your bank or digital wallet, this guide will help you merge them for easier management and smarter spending. Let's get started. First things first, what exactly are virtual Visa cards? They're digital versions of traditional Visa cards that you can create through apps like your bank's mobile app, Apple Pay, or Google Wallet. They're perfect for online shopping, subscriptions, and contactless payments, but handling several can get messy. Combining them is a nifty 2025 feature that lets you link balances or consolidate cards into one, saving you time and reducing transaction fees. Before we jump in, make sure your cards are from the same issuer or compatible with this update. Most major banks support it now. Step 1. Open your banking app or digital wallet and log in securely. Look for the Card Management or Virtual Cards section. Step 2. Select the virtual Visa cards you want to combine. You'll see an option like Merge Cards or Consolidate Balance. Tap on that. Step 3. Review the details, such as total balances and any potential fees. Enter your PIN, biometric ID, or a verification code sent to your phone for security. Step 4. Confirm the combination. Your app will process it quickly, and you'll end up with a single virtual card reflecting the merged details. A few tips. Always check for any service fees, as they vary by bank. Also, back up your data and monitor your accounts for unusual activity to stay safe. There you have it. That's how to combine virtual Visa cards in 2025. It's a game changer for organizing your finances. If you try this out, let me know in the comments how it goes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.